Frog on TV say, it not easy being green. Unka agree, especially after me eat green potato for breakfast. Oh. Top of the morning to you little leprechauns. It's Sunday, March 17, 2024. St. Patrick's Day. Yay! Let me go to weather window and get you Cincinnati weather. Look out there, look up there. Okay, come back and tell you it 42 degrees Fahrenheit with the sun is shining. That be 5.55 degrees centigrade. Oh, maybe that is your lucky number. Uncle wonder, is sun shining over Ireland today? Ha ha ha. This morning, Unka Unka have Bodrons on the brain. Yeah, yeah. That great tune by Black 47. You know what Bodron be? It Irish drum. Clouds moving in the afternoon make it a little cooler. It be 49 degrees as the high. Kind of sweater weather, Not getting too warm today. No. You have a splendid St. Patrick's Day Sunday. Me hope that you find your pot of gold at the end of the rainbow.